All right. Trading the stock market open today with the futures, the micro E-minis, trading right here when the bell, ding, 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 trading the open. 2 or 3 trades, locking down $300 in profits a day and showing you guys the trades live here in this video, the overall thought process, what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, and all of that fun stuff right here in this video. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Here we go. Get ready for the greatest show on earth. The stock market is now open. Let's go. So this morning, got a big pullback at about 3:30, 3 a.m. this morning from the 75 areas all the way down here to the 33s now. So looking to see if we can kind of consolidate down here in the 40s. Kind of looking maybe jump in right here at 40.75 with the stop just kind of below all of this, we'll say like 38 area, looking for stop on this. So we'll risk 3 for a move up there to the 50s from the 40s here. So where are the buyers at? Let's go. Turn the printer on. Turn the printer on. Jay Powell, let's go. Come on. Let's go here. Let's rock and roll. Indecision here. Can't figure out which way this wants to go. A little bit of a battle. Only 2 minutes into the market opens, so the bears, the bulls battling. Who's gonna win the battle? Can she push here through the 41s? We got 42 high on this candle right here, so looking for at least over 42s here. I'm gonna put an order out there, 42.25, just to see if I can get one little fill here. There we go. 42s pushing up there. 43s coming up. Looking for 43 there. So I got 8 contracts still left. Looking to kind of capitalize here on this momentum rising up, just to kind of not so much scale out, but take some of this profit, because we're just going a little slower than I was looking for here on this move up. So basically now I'm only risking 1 handle. My entry there at the 38s, looking for 45s or higher here. Got 4 contracts left. Let's see if it's going to want to push up here. Just kind of putting some orders out there, kind of break even, just to get out of this, because it looks like it's going to stop me out here. There we go. We got stopped out. We actually ended up getting another contract there at the 36s. So not sure I really want to get short here, but looking like the market kind of wants to pull back some more, maybe down there below the 30s here. So we'll see if we can't capitalize on this momentum downwards. Got 4 contracts there at the 35s. Might look to add here at 38s. Can't really decide if where it wants to go right now. It's not getting the break either way, so let's see if this will get down there below 35 now. Got a couple orders out there just to take some profit here at the 36s. Gonna move my stop basically right to the high of this candle here at the 40s, so might get stopped out right here. 15-minute candle looking like she wants to turn green here. Let's see. See if we get that wash. We need a wash. We got to get below that 36s. I just want to get below this support area here, down to the 30s. A lot of volume coming in here on the bigger time frame. Obviously right there at market open. First 15 minutes of the market open here. So a lot of volume. People trying to figure out which way, position-wise, what they want to get. We haven't really had a break in any type of direction. So just kind of some sideways action right here, trying to figure out if the bears, the bulls can win. The bears, the bulls. Who's going to win the battle here? Watching this 15-minute candle. Looking for a wash here. Come on. Come on. Let's top out right here. Top out of the 41s. Oh, no. Gonna get stopped here. All right, getting stopped, so I'll wait for the next setup. See if we can get another setup to come through here. Look at that. They stopped me out. Literally, the high of this candle, 41.75, stopped me out there. Now she's going to sell. Get ready for it. She's going to sell. Going to sell hard. I want to see a break over 45 here. I'm taking another stab here at a short, risking again This thing just really looks like she wants to sell here. So I'm going to risk, again, off that 42, 41.75. So stop at the 42s. Looking for 31 or lower here. Break below 30s. Like going back and forth right now between 50. It's going back and forth between a red and a green candle or a doji. So we'll see. 10 seconds left. Still red. Nope. Doji. Now green. Now red. Now green. Now red. We'll see. What's she going to do here? Red, green, red, green, 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 red. There's a new candle opening. Looking for this to sell. Come on. Let's go. Just sell on down to Papa Town. Looking for 36s or lower on this move before taking any profit. Take a little bit there. 36.75 with one contract. See if I get filled. That 36 area acting as support right now. Let's see if we'll get through there. Okay, we're getting through there. Let's look for 35s or lower here. All right, so taking a little bit of profit here at the 33s now. Gonna hold, I think, most of this. I think we're gonna get a break down here. We got 7 contracts left. Taking a little bit of fill here, 32.75. Looking for a break below the 30s. Trying to lock in some profit here just in case this wants to bounce back. 32.75. Still got 4 contracts. So we're gonna look for that 4 contracts to get down there into the lower 30s. Looking for like 31 on a fill. See if we get 31.75. There we go. 30. Ooh, almost. 31.75. Almost getting touched there, or almost getting filled. Let's keep this action going here. A little bounce back off that support area. That's what I was worried about. But we'll move our stop now on those last 4 contracts right to the 38s, which will be the high of this candle here. The high of that candle is going to be 30, right there at 38. So now we can basically just let the last 4 contracts ride and see if we can't get the break down here below the 30s and get this move down there below 30s on those last 3 contracts. I got 3 contracts left, and we're looking to see if we can't capitalize on this momentum and ride this wave a little lower here. Still got 2 contracts. Took a little bit there at 32. That's so I don't want to get stuck in this. Like, I don't want it to bounce back, on me hard. So I've learned that over time. Sometimes you just got to take profit when it's there, So let's see what's going to happen from here now. Again, with my stop right there on the high of this candle. So at this point, it's nothing but profit for me. Nothing but profit, baby. Looking for the breakdown below 31 here. We'll see if we can get down there into the 28s, 29s. We'll see if it wants to continue selling through here. Looking for that breakdown. These last 2 contracts. We'll see if we can capitalize here and continue this momentum. 31.75, getting touched there. That 32 area, trying to bounce it here. I think I'm going to just take one more contract there and just leave that one final contract here. Now we're locking down. We're up. We're going to be down. We're going to basically lock in $250 here. So we'll see if that last contract's gonna ride or not. Is it gonna ride? Is it gonna die? We'll find out here pretty soon. It's obviously kind of funny. You can see the high on this candle was, what was the high? Yeah, 941.75. I had my stop right there at 941.50. Got stopped out, and then you can see the momentum after that. So yeah, the red just needed a little bit better. The problem with this trade right here that we did, the problem was my entry. I just had a bad entry on that short. Had a little bit of FOMO. Should have basically waited for the bounce back and then got short here. That would have obviously ended up being a lot better in terms of profit for me, and being able to have a little bit more of a risk tolerance, because a little bit better of a risk tolerance, because I could have shorted here at the 41s and risked basically off the 44s here, but instead we got a little too deep into our short. We were down here short at the 36s, the 37 area. So that was kind of what played against us, and that's why we ended up getting out of that trade for a loss compared to this trade where we shorted here, and you can see we covered for nice little profits. So risk to reward, always very important. Obviously, your entry can be the difference between a winning trade and a losing trade, especially when you're playing with a tight stop like I'm trying to do today. So still locking down to profit. We'll see if this is going to want to break down below the 31s. Looks like right now I was kind of on point here, taking a little bit of profit along the way down in the 30s. All right, so I ended up getting stopped out of that move, and you can see that big squeeze back up here. Looking like she wants to go still. Kind of watching this 42 area. See if I can get some fill here for a push above the 45s now, and then continue this price action higher. Just looking for, I'm going to just trade 5 contracts here on this move because I can add some more if it pulls back here to the 40s maybe. But overall, just looking for a quick pop above 45 and maybe up to the 50s. We'll see. See if we can get a push up there to the 50s here on this move. Big old green candle on the 15-minute chart trying to push it up here. So we'll see if she can push through this resistance here. Maybe look to add another 5 contracts in the 41 area. Playing this with a stop here right below, we'll say like below this candle here. So below the 40s. And like I said, I look to add maybe a little bit more here on the 41 area if I can get down there into the 41s. Looking maybe 41 for the add here. Let's see if we can get up above the 45s now. 45.50, trying to push through there. Put one order out there. Still got 4 contracts. Looking, see if I get some more fill here just to lock it down as this is pushing up here. Beautiful. Still got 2 contracts. So now at this point, all I'm going to do is just move the stop on this to break even, or right above break even there, 43.25. And we'll see if these last 2 contracts can get up here to the 50s or higher. So we'll give a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, and check back here in a minute. We'll check back here in a minute. Check back. Let's go back. Check it back. Still almost right there. We're going to break $300 either way. We're locking down $300 a day in profits. So let's see. Let's see if she's going to go. If she's going to go here, boys. Going to give a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. Let's see if we can't get that push up there to the 50s. You can see a little bit of resistance here, again, at the 47s, 48 area. That's kind of kicking in there, but just not having a lot of luck today with the runners in terms of leaving a few contracts here. Might just be a little too tight. Still locking down $300 in profit today. I'm going to go ahead and just walk away. I got things I got to do. I ain't got time to sit here and trade this boring, slow action right now. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna go to the moon now. But either way, we're gonna lock down some profit and showing you guys how it all went down right here live on the #1 day trading channel. So if you guys have any, do me a favor, hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down